So the original setup before the studio was in the middle, right behind me. We had an anchor desk with kind of walls behind it that were black and orange. And when we wanted to do green screen stuff, we put a curtain behind there, but that was pretty much the setup that we used for our new show. My program is called TV Digital Media. We have 1, 2, and 3. So my one class as of right now is a half-year program where they learn the basics of how to edit, they learn camera shots, they learn how to do short stories like silent movies, commercials, small 1 to 3 minute productions. If students like the program, they can move into my advanced class, which we produce a daily news show which airs on Friday morning as of right now. Students, I run the program like it's their job, like we're actually a production studio. So level 2 reports to level 3. Level 3 are the student executive producers of the show. So they pretty much run the show. They come up with the idea as a group. They go out, film the segments, they host the show, they edit it together. And then on Thursdays, we preview the final video and send it off to our principal who gets the final vote on the video. In the future now with this setup, we're hoping to go live. So that's something when we start September, we're gonna start going live with our new shows. But the overall phase of throughout the production, the studio started under the renovation in August, I believe, and it finished in late January, early February-ish. But working with the team was amazing. You guys have nothing but supportive. They kind of included me in the process of what would work best for the class. It wasn't like they had it on their blueprints and say, we're gonna do it this way, this way, this way. Randy and Andrew were phenomenal to work with, and the rest of the team pretty much dedicating the studio to our needs here. So it was like, what do you think about this? Or if I had a suggestion, it was like, let's do it. So, you know, hands-on, you know, it was awesome working with the team. I say go for it if you can afford it. I've talked to many TV production teachers in the area, and they're amazed, astonished by what we have in this room. They all want to come visit the studio. They all want to see it. They all want to come and have fun. Right now, we are bringing up all our elementary schools and our middle school to this room to showcase the studio, to help gain interest in it, to show them what we now have in Linden as well. So again, if this is something where you guys can afford to make it a professional look, I say go for it.